2002 Ford F150. This one has the classic odometer display issue. It's working right now, but the customer states that it comes and goes as it pleases. And also he has an issue with his overhead console. That's also very common. So we're gonna get both of these removed right now. To remove the cluster, there's this panel that goes over there. It just pops right out. Under here there's 2 screws right there and 2 right there. So we got those removed. There's also 3 up here. They're all 7mm screws. So we're gonna have to get all of those removed right now, and I'll update you here shortly. Alright, so to remove the headlight switch, there's 3 clips holding it. One right there, right above the dimmer switch. One right there. And one right there where this indentation is. So you just kind of got to work it out. And once you get that removed, there's another 7mm right there. Once that screw is removed, you just work the panel out of there. And then you got 4 screws holding the gauge cluster, 1 on each corner. Once you got the screws removed, you need to pull out that shift indicator cable. And I'll pull it out and then I'll show you how that works. Alright, so I got the gauge cluster right there. There's 2 plugs on the back. You just push these tabs and pull them out. Kind of got to work them out. And the shift indicator, kind of stuck back here. So the way that works is there's this tab needs to be pushed in and pull it down, and then go to the other side, and there's another tab right behind the cable right there. Just push it and pull it out. Comes right out. It's a little harder to reinstall, but I think it's easier doing that than taking off the cable on the steering column. To remove this overhead console, there's a screw, Phillips head screw, located right under there. You probably never noticed it. And then back here, it just grab, whoop, and pull down. And then you got a plug right there, and a few torque head screws. Alright, I got it unplugged. We use this T9 torque bit to remove the clock or the compass unit off this console right here. Anytime you send one of these units to us, please remove it from this console to save on shipping. No point of sending the whole thing, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those screws and get this thing repaired. Alright, so got the cluster repaired, reinstalled, along with the overhead display. If you have this issue, I'll include a link in the description of this video to our website where you could purchase these services. They're fairly inexpensive and a lot cheaper than going to the dealer or even buying a used one, because I believe when you replace it, when you replace the cluster, it requires programming for the PATS system, so it's a lot cost efficient when you get it rebuilt. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.